fuller hair in a way that uses all of your existing hair. This video is for individuals that need fuller hair and hair professionals that want to provide a revolutionary way to make your client's hair fuller, but in a way that uses the client's own existing hair. What do I mean? What I mean is all methods, and this is for individuals like you, and it's also for hair professionals to provide to their clients to make this technology available. So what do I mean by using all of your own hair? What this means is that all methods of adding additional hair cover the existing hair, tie down the existing hair, and it's not healthy for the existing hair. Now let's think of the opposite. Imagine any hair you have left, whether you have 5% left or 50% left, whatever you have, you're gonna use that hair. You're just gonna feed more hair in between. That's the key, in between. When you add hair in between, you're using your existing hair. It's still your hair. Think about it. It's still your hair. You're just putting more hair in between it. When you add more hair in between it, it's not only ultimately natural, it's also feeling like your own hair because it is your own hair in there, okay? And it's looking like your own hair, and you could do a world of creative things. You could just add the same hair color, you could add highlights or different tones in it, all right? When you add hair in between using this advanced technology. Microstrand invention, check this out. Look, you can't see it. These are custom made, one hair at a time added onto these, showing you one example. This, see how you see right through it? And this is only one example. This could be added anywhere on the head to make any area fuller. When that is customized for your clients or for you as an individual and blended in between your hair, it is the ultimate of naturalness, both in appearance and feel. If you want more information, if you're a hair professional, all you have to do is click below and you can receive a free website that has a video in it that explains and shows all about this technology. And also, you're gonna get free training. The purpose of this, if you're a hair professional, we want this to be available to more people worldwide. So that's why we're offering, for a limited time, to a limited number of hair professionals, a free website with a 1-hour free training so you can offer this technology. If you're an individual, click the button below and find out what your options are. It's worth it to find out what your options are if you're an individual, and it's also surely worth it to find out about getting a free website with free training to offer this to your clients.